Welcome back. We're doing parallel lines, transversals, and angles. Interesting chapter. A lot of angles are formed when you have parallel lines and you cross it with a transversal. So here we're going to draw a transversal. It goes through the parallel lines, crossing both parallel lines, and we're going to label it L1 and L2. Then the symbol for the parallel lines are those two bars. We got L1, 2 bars, L2. That means parallel. I'm going to label here the transversal. That's the line that crosses them. And we're also going to start lining up angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Angle 1 is congruent to angle 2, is congruent to angle 3, is congruent to angle 4. All of those angles equal each other. Also, let me change the color here. Angle 5 does not equal any of the angles that are red, but they do equal all the blue angles. So angle 5 will equal angle 6, or congruent to angle 6, also congruent to angle 7, and also congruent to angle 8. All of those angles are equal. We're going to have a short intermission before we continue, and I hope you enjoy.
One question?
Sure.
Do you think by the end of next week's lesson I could sound like this?
And to continue, let's say angle 5 is 40 degrees. All the blue will be also 40 degrees. See, because they're acute angles. And let's give a value to angle 1. Let's say it's 140. It would have to be 140 to complete the 180. All the red angles would be the same, 140. And now we look at the two interior angles that are on the same side, which are angle 6 and angle 3. Notice how they add up to 180 degrees. Also, on the other side, interior, same side, they also add up to 180 degrees. And if we take a look at any of the red and the blue, if you combine them and you add those two angles, angle 1 and angle 5 will add up to 180 degrees. Angle 2 and angle 6 will add up to 180 degrees, and so on and so on. Enjoy the rest of the day. I hope you got a little bit of something of the acute angles and the obtuse angles that exist in parallel lines. And when they're cut by a transversal, enjoy. Take it easy.